Alright, so I want y'all to listen to this. There's a noise that's going on. I think it has something to do with the transmission. Every time that I go forward or back, for a split second, I hear a little bit of grind, I think. Let me see. Maybe I'm tripping, but I know I'm not tripping. Okay, it didn't do it that time. Let me go in reverse. That right there. Did you hear that? That right there. What the heck? What the heck is that? That's an issue. I'm gonna have to go back and pull, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pull the trans out again or check the clutch.